Wow, we have a lot.
Okay, first chairlift ride for Thomas.
Ready? Look at Mom.
Hello.
Oh, look
Thomas.
at Dad.
Are you a little scared?
Oh,
Are you
it's
scared?
a video?
It's on video.
Aussie.
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 I,
David, this is your second one. How you feeling? Good, yeah.
do you want to ask me how I'm feeling?
Betsy, how are you feeling
Not-
after a
not so much.
after a 8-year maternal layoff,
5 year.
5-year, you're back on the board. How's it feeling? Back on the bike?
Aussie.
All right. Thomas, how are you going to do going down this hill, you think?
Awesome bugs.
Okay, here we go. Set it here first.
Hey, I'm going to do the terrain park. Is everybody all right with that?
All right.
Hey. Hi.
Hey, you're on video. You'll be at the Cronin house later today.
All right, Tom.
Ooh, I really
Okay.
got high.
What's that?